Hola chicos, hi y'all. I'm doing this video in English for the ease of parents and families. We learned this song, the Quiero cantar y volar con mi ukulele. So, what I want to do now is I first want to focus on the movement that we have in our A string on ants, okay? So we're pressing, and we're going to start with our ring finger, anular, then middle finger, medio, and then index finger, índice, right? And then we're going to lift open. So I want us to just practice. Join me. And what you can do to mix it up at the end, which might make more sense with the lyrics, is this. So, quiero cantar y volar con mi ukulele. Quiero cantar y volar con mi ukulele. So we talked about syllables in some of our classes. So I'm going to clap out the words with the syllables. So, quiero cantar y volar con mi ukulele. Quiero cantar y volar con mi ukulele. So the hardest one there is ukulele, which has 4 syllables. So that's why I played it 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we're going to do it with strumming now. Strumming right along with the syllables that we were just talking about. Okay? So, quiero cantar y volar con mi ukulele. 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 So it's really important that we're first able to do it strong on the A string, because otherwise, do you hear that? You can barely hear it. So we've got to press nice and hard on the strings so that when we play the whole chord, we're really playing all 4 strings, okay? So I hope this is helpful to you and that I can hear all of your progress next time I see you, okay? Bye, thank you.